had several people message and ask how I got insurance to cover my lipedema removal surgery. I've been approved for 5 surgeries with Dr. Azuz in Dallas, Texas through my insurance. I just had to pay my deductible. And then if my surgeries go past this year, I'll have to pay a second deductible. So that's important to keep in mind. This journey has been long. I have gone through, I'm on the second insurance. I actually switched insurances because I'm with Blue Cross Oklahoma. It's called Blue Links. It's state provided insurance. And I was with Health Choice, which was the state provided insurance. And Blue Cross just kind of offered things that geared more toward weight. And so I felt like I had a better chance getting coverage with them. It was a 3-year process. I went through 5 different plastic surgeons. That's a whole story on its own. If you want to know, I will tell you. But I had initially a 72-page proposal to my insurance. It came with preventative measures. I showed proof of purchasing compression. I showed proof of me going to physical therapy. I showed proof of me doing vibration plate therapy and all kinds of conservative measures to prepare my body for surgery. I also had proof within my documentation of an 80-pound loss, and my calves grew. I lost 80 pounds off of my body, and my calves grew like a 1/16 of an inch. I mean, it was significant enough that is like, you look at it and you're like, if someone loses 80 pounds, they should not grow anywhere unless it's pure muscle mass. And I wasn't a bodybuilder, that's for sure. So there's just so many things that went into my personal approval. I think everybody has their own journey, and it's important to reach out to advocates if you need that help. There's a lot of different advocacy groups online. If you search lipedema advocacy, I personally used an advocacy group called Cover Lipedema. They are no longer working under that name, but I think they're open as another business. They really helped me, and I know there's a lot of drama around them, but I was in it for me. I didn't care about what anybody else thought. So I did my own advocacy and I worked with them on my own, and I didn't worry about anything else. So that's kind of my insurance story wrapped up. Even though this was a long video, it is such a long story. So I plan to break everything down, possibly on a YT channel, and go through my entire process, including documenting not only my first surgery that I just had, but all 5 surgeries, and keep everybody updated and help anybody else out that I can.